was just here. I'll show you some program here. Ida tong eh. As mukha man ni ko kano tawi do. Why? Kasi nang ngai. I simmer number to thara matung da. Last time koi thoale. Acha da di ngasi mita to. Guwahati airport lai khalu re. Anyway, Guwahati ki vlog se dai dum haura kya. Tang thabuk khara lai. Thabuk tu su tu marak to pa ya bring si. To koi se airport ki thola. Welcome to Guwahati city. Stadium hai? Guwahati stadium. See Harley Davidson showroom here on the left. I might come here, but let's see. Kuch kiti salas. That was Harley Davidson showroom. I might just visit, but इलेक्ट्रॉनिक सिटी गणेशगिरी देखा हुआ है? नहीं देखा हुआ है। गणेशगिरी में इलेक्ट्रॉनिक सिटी है, वहाँ छोड़ोगे आप, ठीक है? चलो सीधे के इलेक्ट्रॉनिक सिटी चलो। इसको क्या हो गया? Came just in the middle. दो पर सिटी यही के पे वहीं पे मिल जाएगा, यही लगा लो।
Your destination is on the left.
Hey, electronic city. This is it. Electronic city ne there was nothing inside, so we had to come here. I was just here. I'll show you some program here. What's happening? Kari toy no kang kaya program mo ito. Anyway, that was short refreshment as we planned. I'll go from here to Reliance. Maybe I'll do some shopping. Sidasu GoPro amasung Insta360 phangdre. Aduna Pan Bazzar patare. Pan Bazzar da mucha lage sidaki. Duga Pan Bazzar salaga oina ngayura. Reliance. Paji paji isi mall sa so. थोड़ा और यहाँ पे भी नहीं है। चलो finally reached the shop where I supposed to buy Insta360 and my GoPro battery. Maya mai yaure Guwahati da ko. So finally I got the original here. Then a new addition to my vlogging would be this Insta360 One X2, and of course invisible stick, much needed and extra. Sini ma'am, ado mo unboxing tawrage ko. Unboxing tawraga yengase side dum laira dabne. Matang yenga sa. Okay, let's open the Insta. 360 1X2. Camera. क्या एक्सेसरीज में और आगे
तो चार्जिंग के लिए केबल भी है।
ओके चार्जर।
ये एक पाउच है।
पाउच ओके।
और ये स्टिकर्स हो गया।
स्टिकर।
ये भी एक पाउच है।
ओके
बस ये
so this is the very handy looking Insta360 1X2 the latest but thoda sa shikai no ne kitang this is very unusual for me because I GoPro dum season na there's more I think we're gonna mount like that or something I don't know let's see maka yeng na rasiko. That's the invisible stick. Pretty long.
120 centimeter.
120 centimeter. इतना लंबा है कि फ्रेम में ही नहीं आ रहा है. Let's put cart डालते हैं इस पर. Rainbow Digital and it's very near from Fancy Bazaar and Pan Bazaar. So मैं यहाँ में तुम सीधे के लोग पे आनी. This is the only if you want to buy action camera. This is one of the exclusive. So I'm leaving from here. Thank you so much. Thank you man. Thank you. Chalo leaving from here. Okay. Bye bye. So from here I'll straight see you because my Insta360 and GoPro battery bought. Done. Let's go. So guys, finally I have reached the place where I'm supposed to stay tonight. One of my friend's apartment. After all those hustle bustle since morning, I much needed. I took a bath and now I'm freshened up. Thought of ending the vlog. Before that, I've started having my dinner. I'll just show you what am I eating. Bindi, dal, roti, and rice. See, let's see dinner. So, I'm vegetarian. So I see vegetarian. I see no whole day vegetarian, but vegetarian also I'm not. So this is it guys. I hope you liked the vlog. Guwahati vlog ends here. Tomorrow I'll going back home. Hope you liked it. And thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Follow me on Instagram, Daveson the Explorer. And I'm about to reach 500. I can home to 1K. 200 view me. So share to view, like to view, subscribe to no high view. Si hire gang asik vlog o sincerage. Thank you so much for watching. This is Daveson the Explorer signing off. Bye bye. See you at the next vlog.